Guten Tag, as they say here in Germany. We have just arrived here in Teutschenthal for round 8, but the last round in Latvia was full of surprises, and this season is shaping up to be more exciting than ever. In MX2 we have a new GP winner. Thomas Kjærulfsen won his first ever oval in the class, whilst Paul Jonas extended his lead. Behind him, Jeremy Seawer is still very much in the hunt. Remember his impressive race here last year. Can he put in a repeat performance and claw back some valuable championship points? In MXGP, Tony Cairoli has the red plate back on his KTM, but the bullet, Jeffrey Herlings, fired a warning shot to his rivals with that double moto victory in Latvia. We have an exciting opportunity for you. All you need to do is check out the MXGP Facebook page and like and share the post on Gauthier Paulin. You can also find it on his Facebook page, and you could be in with a chance of winning 3 paddock passes for the Fiat Professional MXGP of France. So get liking and good luck. Welcome to Teutschenthal for the MXGP of Germany.